Hello everybody and welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today we're going to be getting started in Pay the Poolman 2.0 in 6 easy steps. So when you first get onto Paythepoolman.com, we are running 2 promos right now. One is going to be a 30-day free trial for the Pay the Poolman software, and the second is going to be this 80% off for 3 months, which is going to get you access to our Pay the Poolman Plus, which is our employee and field tech app, and Pool Junction, our customer-facing app. If you want to learn more about this, go ahead and scroll down on this page. When you're ready to get started, go ahead and click Get Started on this blue button here. All right, and we've made it to our company dashboard. This is going to be your main page and where you're going to land each time you log in. We have a couple resources right here for you to help you get set up, including our video tutorials like this one here, our frequently asked questions and our help pages, and also our customer support. Our customer support agents are available during our office hours for calls, texts, and even emails to help you get started and to help you with any problems you might run into. Let's go ahead and look through our company dashboard to get familiar with it. Right down here, we're going to see some data pop up just to give us a brief insight on what's going on payment-wise, amounts owed, and a little bit of tracking information here. We will get our alerts right here, and under the settings button, you can kind of filter what you want to see. Once data starts rolling in, a graph is going to appear here for your company performance, including your revenue, payments received, and amounts owed. And down here, we're going to see any overdue accounts pop up, and I hope that this doesn't happen very often for you, but if it does, you're going to be able to take action right under here by sending an email to reminder, resending the invoice, or even applying a late fee to the customer. All right, now that that's done, let's add some more information to our settings page. Under here, you're going to be able to input any more contact information or update your contact information. When you do that, please make sure to hit save to update all that data. We also have 2 areas to put in your physical address and mailing address if they happen to be 2 different locations. If not, just go ahead and put the same ones in. Under tax rates, this is where you will apply the tax to go on all of your customers' billing, so make sure you know what rate you're supposed to put in there. And speaking of customer billing, right under this tab, we can set up our lists. We do have the option of creating 2 different billing lists if you want to run 2 different sets of billing. I don't really need to do that. I don't have that many customers, so I'm just going to put everybody on the same billing list, but that option is available to you. The advanced billing options right here are for customization. Let's say if we wanted to just bill every single week for specific customers, we could turn that on here. And last but certainly not least, let's add our company logo for some branding. There we go. I got a small logo on there. This little blue plus button is going to give you the option to pull up your files, and you can either upload from there or drag and drop from your desktop. All right, now that our company is set up, we're going to need to get some customers in here. Go ahead and navigate to the Customer tab right here. And we have a couple different ways to do this. The first is going to be how I got all of these customers in my database. We're going to add them manually using the Add Customer button right here. You're going to go ahead and enter all the information you have about your customer. And we have a couple different drop-down menus here to add more information. To make billing details easier, you can go ahead and select what cycle they're going to be on, and if they're going to be print, email, or print and email. Once this is all done, go ahead and save customer, and it'll pop up right under here. Let's say you're coming from a different software or service. We also have a way for you to import your customers that's easier than just manually entering. Go ahead and navigate to the Settings tab. And right down here, you're going to see QuickBooks. Go ahead and select that. The first option is from your QuickBooks desktop to import from there. You're going to attach your customer list. Go ahead and click this button to get it verified and to send in the list. The QuickBooks Online Sync option is going to navigate you from this button to the online sign-in portal for QuickBooks. From there, you're going to sync your account to ours, and it will get all your information for your customers over here. If you're coming from another service, go ahead and click this importer right here. You're going to select a file that is a CSV file, and that is going to import all of your customer information. If you don't have a CSV file to import, go ahead and email us at support@Paythepoolman.com, and we will send you the CSV file for you to transfer all your information to, and also a step-by-step on how to do that. Once you have that file, go ahead and click Choose File. And upload that CSV file. And then hit Start Import. And there you go. All the customers are going to populate right down below, and we can see they have their information filled in already. We're just going to go ahead and take a second to make sure all this information looks correct. And then we can do the billing info. I'm going to turn their billing on to my primary list. And I'm going to be emailing everybody their invoices. And they are going to be taxed. And they are going to be billed for their pool service. And that's all. And then I'm going to hit import. And we'll do the same for the second guy. And import. And once all of your customers are gone from here, we can go to customers right under here and check and see that they imported. And I do see them right here and right here. So we got it. Now that we have customers, how are they going to pay us? Well, we have a couple different options. If you want to manually accept payments such as cash or checks from your customers, when you run billing every month, you can manually enter those by adding a payment. The other option we have is to set up an account with our third-party processor called Stripe. Once this is set up, you can navigate over to the customer by clicking View and adding a card on file and setting up auto pay. This way, every month, they will automatically be billed after Stripe is set up. Or they can get their invoice in the email or the mail and paid that way online. To set up Stripe, you'll navigate over to Settings and then scroll down right here to Payment Processing. Go ahead and go to Processor Settings, and you will toggle on this to activate Stripe. To make sure Stripe is activated, you will have to go on to their website and authorize your account by linking either a website or a business Facebook account. After that's done, you'll be able to receive payments through Stripe. The Quick View Customer Dashboard is going to show the information history for this specific customer, including their balance, any pending extras, and unpaid invoices. All these tabs underneath are going to be able to help you customize your customer's experience. We actually have a great walkthrough video and a help page on this, so if you want to learn more details about this, go ahead and navigate over there to find out. Now that we have our customers, we have our payments set up, and we have our dashboard all set up, let's go ahead and get some pool techs to help clean those customers' pools. Navigate over to Plus from your dashboard and hit Employee Center. This is where you're going to create your employees' profiles. After creating an employee profile, they'll be able to download the Plus app so they can service through their own app and their own profile. You're going to hit the Add New Employee button here and fill out all the employees' information listed here. Once you're done, hit Save Employee and it will pop up on your screen. Once the profile is created, the program will prorate the charges and it will be added to the next billing cycle for your company. If you decide to deactivate an employee by making them inactive or hiding the employee, you will no longer be charged for that employee's account and the employee will no longer be able to log into their account. All right, now that we have some employees, let's go ahead and create our first route to service your customers' pools. By navigating over to the Routing tab, you can select which employee you want to create a route for by selecting the drop-down menu and then clicking your employee. Once you're on the employee page, go ahead and select the first day you want to create a route for, in this case Monday, and scroll down to see all of your customer options. Customers in green have already been assigned to a route, and customers in red have not. Let's go ahead and click and drag this customer in red to our Monday route to start. Let's add another one. And there we go. Once they've turned blue, that means they are locked into your route. This search tab right here will let you search for customers you're looking for. You could also alphabetize them or sort them by commercial pools. You could also select active, inactive, or see all customers. After you're done, you can optimize your route, which allows you to add a beginning and an end location. This will create the most effective map for your tech to follow. When you're done, go ahead and click Save. We also have the option to add repairs here. By clicking repairs, you're going to be able to click a tech and select a day for the tech to go and repair something. We have another video about this if you'd like to see more in depth. Once your route is built, your route is going to stay like this unchanged unless you go in and edit something about the customer or their service. And that's going to be all. You did it. You got started in 6 easy steps in Pay the Poolman 2.0, and you're officially ready to begin servicing your pools. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient software and caring support. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content from us.